Okay, hi friend. In this video, we're going to learn about how to create LAN. For the previous video, we learned already about how to create matrix. Go to the terminal. For create LAN, we can type PHP, Artisan, okay, Nova, and then LAN, and then the name what you want. My name is man user. I want to get main by use LAN. Enter. Okay, now I was created LAN, so it's not yet do anything, but I want to get the man, not female, okay, on this LAN. You can go to the database, okay. So you can see I want to filter by LAN. I want to get only gender man. So go to the code. So query, I want to all men, where you can type where, gender field, gender equal what, equal m. So now we write the query already, and then I want to display name, text, make name, and then text, make email. Now go to the user resource, and then you can see the LAN, okay, function LAN. Define the class main user, main. So don't forget import main user, and then go back to the browser. Now you can see LAN appear on that. You can click on main user. Okay, now you get all the name and email by user that have gender male, okay, male. So I want to display gender also. Take make gender and go back, refresh. Now you can see gender male. So I want to make more LAN to list all the woman user. Go to the code, and then I can copy on that and paste. I rename it. Rename woman user, okay, and then rename the class and change gender to F, and go to the user resource and define woman user, new woman user. Go to the browser and refresh again. Okay, now go to the LAN and click on woman user, change on the key because it's the same as the main keys, okay. You can change woman, okay, woman user. Okay, now you can see the woman user list on that. So now this is the sample example to create LAN. Okay, bye bye.